Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. In this video I'll show you how to solve the problem LeetCode first bad version. So let's get started. So the problem is that they give us a number n that represent amount of version of the product, and also we have a function that accepts a number and return whether it's a bad version or not. And the task here is to find the bad version, and we should minimize the number of calls to the API. And also note that all the version after a bad version are also bad. So for example, let's say we have 5 version of a product and the bad version is the number 3. So starting from the version 3, all the following version will also be bad. Version 4 and version 5. So only the two version 1 and 2 of the product that will valid the quality check. So to solve this problem, we're going to use binary search algorithm to find the bad version inside n. So let's say we have this input n of version of the product and the bad version is at 4. The first thing we're going to do is to initialize the start and the end pointers. The start is gonna be pointing at the first number 1 and the end pointer gonna be pointing at the last number, which is n means 5. Then we need to find the middle of the versions by using the two pointers start and end. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Then we're gonna use the function that they give us to check if the number is the bad version and return a boolean true or false. So we're gonna take the middle number and pass it to the function as an argument. If the current middle number is not the bad version, means the function gonna return false. We move the start pointer to be the middle number plus 1. Why we do that? In the details problem, we know that all the versions after the bad version will be also bad. So here, if the current middle number are not the bad one or it's not after the bad version, so we know that this current number is before the bad version, so that's why we move the pointer to be after the current middle. And that's the power of the binary search algorithm, when you can reduce the runtime and eliminate each time a part of the input so that you can quickly find the target. Otherwise, if the current middle number is a bad version, the function gonna return true and we set the end to be the middle. So again, since we know that all the version after the bad version is bad, if the current middle number is not the one that we are looking for, it's gonna be before that number. So that's why we move the end to be the middle and we eliminate all the number that comes to next. So in this example, the middle number is 3. So the function gonna return false. That means we need to move the left to the number after the middle. Then we calculate the middle again, 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So the result gonna be 4. Then we call the function with the current middle number as an argument. So the function here gonna return true, means that the 4 is a bad version. Means we need to set the end to be the middle number 4 and we break the loop because the start gonna be equal to the end pointer. After that, we're gonna return the start value, and the start value represent the first bad version and also the target. So the time complexity for the solution is of log n because we're using binary search algorithm, and the space complexity is of 1 since we're not allocating space and memory. That's it guys, so let's jump at coding the solution. First, we initialize the start and end pointer, then we loop throughout the number using the start and end pointer. Well, the start is less than the end. We calculate the middle number, start plus end divided by 2. Then we use the function that they give us is bad version. So we say that if it's bad version function and we pass the middle number as an argument. So if it's true, we update the end pointer to be the middle number, means that all the numbers after gonna be the bad versions and the number that we're looking for are between the start and the current middle. Otherwise, if the function return false, we update the start to be the middle plus 1, means we're gonna process the number from the number after the middle to the end and we eliminate the number before. Finally, we return the start that represent the first bad version. That's it guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.